Welcome to my channel Study Engine. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more study videos. आज हम कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस पार्ट 2 के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। पार्ट 1 ऑलरेडी डिस्कस हो चुका है, जिसका लिंक आपको ऊपर आई बटन में मिलेगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, What is the name given to the skilled and trained professional who directs all activities related to an organization's database? Option A, System Administrator. Option B, System Manager. Option C, Database Administrator. Option D, Database Manager. And the answer is Option C, Database Administrator. Question number 2, Which of the following are the objects in Microsoft Access? Option A, tables. Option B, queries. Option C, reports. Option D, all of the above. And the answer is Option D, all of the above. Notes. Databases in MS Access are composed of 4 objects. These are tables, queries, forms and reports. Together, these objects allow us to enter, store, analyze and compile data according to the wish. Question number 3. The CAP theorem concludes that it is not possible for a distributed computer system to provide 3 guarantees at the same time. Which of the following are among these 3 guarantees? Option A, consistency. Option B, availability. Option C, partition tolerance. Option D, all of the above. And the answer is Option D, all of the above. Question number 4. Which among the following is the term given to the 3 rules to find logically implied functional dependencies? Option A, reflexivity rules. Option B, normalization rules. Option C, W. Armstrong's axioms. Option D, closure rules. And the answer is Option C, W. Armstrong's axioms. Question number 5. Which of the following form is based on the concept of functional dependency? Option A, 1NF. Option B, 2NF. Option C, 3NF. Option D, all of the above. And the answer is Option C, 3NF. Question number 6. Which of the following networking is used when centralized management is desired or if there is a little room for cabling? Option A, local area networking. Option B, wide area networking. Option C, passive optical local area networking. Option D, optical area networking. And the answer is Option C, passive optical local area networking. Question number 7. What is the full form of DHCP? And the answer is Option A, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Question number 8. Which one of the following is not an example of one? Option A, Ethernet. Option B, ISDN. Option C, Frame Relay. Option D, ATM. And the answer is Option A, Ethernet. Question number 9. Which among the following correctly defines a wide area network? Option A wide area network is quite bigger network than the LAN. Option B, the internet is one of the biggest one in the world. Option C, in a one network messages are transmitted fast. Option D, all of the above. And the answer is Option D, all of the above. Question number 10. Which of the following networking devices forwards data packets between computer networks? Option A, router. Option B, gateway. Option C, switch. And the answer is Option A, router. Note, a router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. Routers perform the traffic directing functions on the internet. Question number 11. Which of the following IEEE standards Zigbee is based on? And the answer is Option C, IEEE 802.15.4. Question number 12. Which of the following device encodes and decodes the analog signals in a dial-up connection? Option A, modem. Option B, NIC. Option C, router. Option D, none of the above. And the answer is Option A, modem. Question number 13. Which of these was the first web browser to handle all HTML3 features? Option A, Cello. Option B, Edwidge. Option C, UDI www. Option D, Mosaic. And the answer is Option C, UDI www. Question number 14. In which year the Internet Explorer version 1 was released? Option A, 1994. Option B, 1998. Option C, 1997. Option D, 1995. And the answer is Option D, 1995. Question number 15. Which of these is not the name of a web browser? Option A, Chameleon. Option B, Omer. Option C, Conqueror. Option D, Rat. And the answer is Option D, Rat. Question number 16. Which of these layout engines was used in Internet Explorer 4? Option A, Trident. Option B, Servo. Option C, Blink. Option D, WebKit. And the answer is option A, Trident. Question number 17. In which year WhatsApp was acquired by Facebook? Option A, 2012. Option B, 2013. Option C, 2014. Option D, 2015. And the answer is option C, 2014. Question number 18. Which of the following website provides email service? Option A, Gmail. Option B, Yahoo. Option C, Hotmail. Option D, all of the above. And the answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 19. What is meant by DOM? Option A, Data Object Model. Option B, Document Object Model. Option C, Data Organization Model. Option D, Document Organization Markup. And the answer is option B, Document Object Model. It represents the page so that programs can change the document structure, style and content. Question number 20. Which of these is a social media networking website? Option A, Reddit. Option B, WhatsApp. Option C, Qzone. Option D, all of the above. And the answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 21. Which of the following is the oldest web browser still in general use? Option A, Linux. Option B, Safari. Option C, Internet Explorer. Option D, Navigator. And the answer is option A, Linux. Question number 22. When was Chrome web browser launched? Option A, 2005. Option B, 2008. Option C, 2011. Option D, 2000. And the answer is option B, 2008. Notes. Chrome or Google Chrome was first released in 2008 for Microsoft Windows. Question number 23. Which of these was the first browser to have a graphical user interface? Option A, Internet Explorer. Option B, Airways. Option C, Mosaic. Option D, Safari. And the answer is option B, Airways. Question number 24. What is meant by DOM? Option A, Data Object Model. Option B, Document Object Model. Option C, Data Organization Model. Option D, Document Organization Markup. And the answer is option B, Document Object Model. Question number 25. Which of these is a Russian search engine? Option A, AOL. Option B, Naver. Option C, Yandex. Option D, Kuio 360. And the answer is option C, Yandex. Question number 26. Where is the headquarters of Facebook located? Option A, Chicago. Option B, California. Option C, New York. Option D, Miami. And the answer is option B, California. Facebook is a US-based online social media and social networking service company. The headquarters of Facebook is located in Menlo Park, California. Question number 27. What is the name of iPhone's virtual assistant? Option A, OK. Option B, Cortana. Option C, Siri. Option D, none of the above. And the answer is option C, Siri. Question number 28. What is meant by NTFS? And the answer is option C, New Technology File System. Question number 29. Which of these MS Office products is primarily used for note taking? Option A, PowerNote. Option B, Access. Option C, Visio. Option D, OneNote. And the answer is option D, OneNote. Question number 30. Which of these is not an MS Office web service? And the answer is option C, Dropbox. Dropbox is a file hosting service that offers cloud storage, file synchronization, personal cloud, and client software. It is operated by the US-based company Dropbox. Question number 31. Which of these keys combination will open the Start menu in Windows? Option A, Ctrl plus Alt. Option B, Ctrl plus Escape. Option C, Ctrl plus F4. Option D, Alt plus S. And the answer is option B, Ctrl plus Escape. Question number 32. Which of these HTML editors replaced front page in MS Office? Option A, Dreamweaver. Option B, Expression Wave. Option C, Notepad++. Option D, Joomla. And the answer is option B, Expression Wave. Question number 33. Which key combination is used for manual page break? Option A, Shift plus Enter. Option B, Control plus Enter. Option C, Control plus B. Option D, Control plus F6. And the answer is option A, Shift plus Enter. Question number 34. Which menu in MS Word contains the restrict editing option? Option A view, option B edit, option C insert, option D review. And the answer is option D review. Question number 35. How can a cell be activated in MS Excel? Option A by pressing tab key, option B by pressing arrow keys, option C by clicking the cell, option D all of the above. And the answer is option D all of the above. Question number 36. What is the use of VLOOKUP functions in MS Excel? Option A to get the maximum value among the set of data, option B to copy a row, option C to finding things in a table, option D none of the above. And the answer is option C to find things in a table. Question number 37. How can entire column be selected in MS Excel? Option A by pressing Ctrl plus space, option B by pressing Ctrl plus slash, option C by pressing Ctrl plus D, option D none of the above. And the answer is option A by pressing Ctrl plus space. Question number 38. What is the use of Shift plus F11 in MS Excel? Option A deletes in the workbook, option B deletes in the current sheet, option C inserts in a new sheet, option D inserts a new row. And the answer is option C inserts a new sheet. Question number 39. Which of these keys combination will insert a hyperlink in MS PowerPoint? Option A Ctrl plus N, option B Ctrl plus M, option C Ctrl plus K, option D Ctrl plus H. And the answer is option C Ctrl plus K. Question number 40. What is the best way to add a background image to all the slides? Option A by adding a background image to the first slide, option B by using autocorrect option, option C by editing the master slide, option D it is not possible in MS PowerPoint. And the answer is option C by editing the master slide. Question number 41. What is the full form of MIME? Option A Model Internet Media Email, option B Media Instant Messaging Extensions, option C Model Instant Messaging Extensions, option D Multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions. And the answer is option D Multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions. Question number 42. What do we call a malicious computer program which is pretends to be a useful application? Option A worms, option B Trojan horse, option C ransomware, option D keylogger. And the answer is option B Trojan horse. Question number 43. What is the technique called as by which an attacker illicitly impersonates another machine by manipulating IP packets to gain unauthorized access? Option A DDoS, option B sandboxing, option C IP spoofing, option D password attack. And the answer is option C IP spoofing. IP spoofing is a technique used to gain unauthorized access to machines whereby an attacker illicitly impersonates another machine by manipulating IP packets. Question number 44. Which of these malicious programs collect information about user and sends the data to a remote user? Option A polymorphic virus, option B boot record infector, option C spyware, option D file infector. And the answer is option C spyware. Spyware is a type of malicious program that is installed to collect information about users, their computers or their browsing habits. Question number 45. What do we call the attack which is made against hash algorithms that are used to verify the integrity of a message, software or digital signature? Option A birthday attacks, option B password attacks, option C session hijacking, option D MIM attack. And the answer is option A birthday attacks. Birthday attacks are made against hash algorithms that are used to verify the integrity of a message, software or digital signature. Question number 46. What is meant by CTS? And the answer is option C check truncation system. Check truncation system CTS is a check clearing system undertaken by the Reserve Bank of India for quicker check clearance. As the term proposes, truncation is the course of discontinuing the flow of the physical check in its way of clearing. Question number 47. What is the full form of SWIFT? And the answer is option C Society for Worldwide International Financial Telecommunications. Question number 48. Which of the following are the features of core banking solutions? Option A, accounts management. Option B, loan management. Option C, transaction management. Option D, all of the above. And the answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 49. What do we call those ATMs where hardware is owned by service provider but cash management and network connectivity is provided by sponsor bank? Option A, white label ATM. Option B, brown label ATM. Option C, black label ATM. Option D, none of the above. And the answer is option B, brown label ATM. Brown label ATM is a sharing cost concept. Question number 50. In which year the first international conference on the World Wide Web was organized? Option A, 1990. Option B, 1994. Option C, 1996. Option D, 1998. And the answer is option B, 1994. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.